customizing recurring job schedules and templates for different clients. I'm currently in my monthly bookkeeping pipeline. Some of the clients use QuickBooks, and therefore I have their information available there, while others need to send me their data via email. I will want to put both into the same pipeline, but I will first make some changes. In the accounts receivable stage, I want to add the Create Task automation, which uses a task template that includes subtasks specific to the process for QuickBooks clients. I will then click on the Add Conditions link and pick the QuickBooks tag. After applying it, you can see that it says that this automation will only run for clients that have the QuickBooks tag. Now, I'll do the same with the Send Email automation that I'll use to request payment documents. I'll make it conditional, but I'll choose the email tag this time, meaning this email automation will only trigger for clients with the email tag. Now I can have both types of clients in this pipeline, and only the relevant automations will trigger for them. I now go to the Job Recurrences page and create a new recurrence for both email and QuickBooks clients in my pipeline. I can go even further with these changes. While for my non-QuickBooks clients, I usually use the monthly bookkeeping job template, which is selected as a default for the pipeline, I want to apply another one for my QuickBooks ones. Let me show the difference. I will duplicate my monthly bookkeeping template and rename it. Since my QuickBooks clients don't require me to wait for their data, I can streamline the process by modifying their job due dates. I can adjust their job due dates accordingly to accommodate this. With different job templates, I can also include different information for my team if needed, such as internal instructions for this type of client. I now go back to my Job Recurrences page, filter the list to show only recurrences created for the clients with QuickBooks tag in the monthly bookkeeping pipeline, and bulk edit them. Now I choose a different job template for this type of client. This way I have set up a pipeline and schedule where I'll be putting both client types in, but the way they'll be processed will be different.